Kalae jong ka jing it ri kalabe ha ka jela Meghalaya ha ka ba ki nong shong shnong ha shulong batura kilami surok banya shimbenta ha ki tiranga yatra ka ba pen I ya ka jetli bat ka jing sarong na ka benta kari nadu ki seng bhalang hadu ki samla puli bat ki noyalam lengba ki sur ba per kilayawan lang hapo kalama jong kari tongin ya phai shakini ka khubor
Hanong ba shalong kinong yalam ka BJP bagsipay kilaydan benta ba kinong shnong ha ka jingyat padba ka ba ayman sim dak ba penram yaki kamle no ba penskam biang ya ka jinglong ba jana jangkari kani ka penpa ya ka jingki jong ka jingkershan ki padba jang ka Meghalaya na ka benta ka jingshangan jangkari kadba hatura lapulang ya ka jingyat padba dak bara ya lama jangkari ka ba jarang hadu chispa mita ban buram ya ka jingshlor jagsipay kari ha ka operation sindur Lumba kijing duai ba kijing ay buram ka kubor ka lang ka ba shay ba ka Meghalaya ka yeng lang kaway wanpan pa ya jing songo ba ka jikershan ya kisipay jangkari.
We want to express that we are very grateful to the armed forces, to the leaders of our nation who have taken a very strong stand against the acts of terrorism and which has been hosted by in Pakistan, and the mission which has been completed through Operation Sindur is something that has to be appreciated and something for which we have to be grateful.
Ringkat lang kini kijing yat padba ki pensngo ya ka buram ka bajam pat ka bashay ba ka Meghalaya ka yang kaway na ka benta ka jing sarong ya kari ka balong ka balapan kre klam kuno ka jing lang atatian. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
hadian jong ka jing jia